Let me introduce you to this very cool 88-inch two-person computer desk from HomCom. Basically, it's a 2-in-1 workstation, and you'll see what I mean once I get this built and put together. I wouldn't say this took too long, although when I was pulling out all the items from inside the box, I thought it would be a super long process. Luckily, with the help of the assembly manual and my drill, I was able to build this very fast. This particular desk is all black, and that includes the boards as well as the sturdy steel frames. I advise that when you build such a large desk, you put it together close to its permanent location in the room. That way you don't have to struggle when moving it. So basically there's 4 parts to this desk. 2 side tables and 2 shelves stacked up in the middle. I screwed on the backboard for better reinforcement, and after that I was done with the build of this $120 desk. Yeah, I know, I was surprised by the low price as well. I decided to place this desk on the side of the room that had that weird opening into my home gym. Luckily I was able to get a cheap $12 colorful gaming tapestry from Amazon. This did exactly what I wanted it to do. Covered up that opening on that wall. I seriously couldn't believe this was $12 because it looked incredible. If you're a PlayStation fan, you might want to get one of these. With the desk in place, we can now admire it completely. It is by far the largest desk that I have ever put together. It gives me so much room, and like I said, this is a 2-in-1 desk. So basically, if you have 2 people using the desk, each one can take a side and share the shelves in the center for extra storage. Remember that there are 2 shelves in the bottom and 2 on top. Since I would be the only one using this desk, I decided to use the left side as my working station, so that's where I'll place my 21-inch Mac, my large mouse pad, and of course a keyboard and mouse. This is the side where I'll be getting all my work done, and I might even study there. The maximum weight capacity of this desk is 88 pounds, and each shelf can withstand 11 pounds. For this example, nothing heavy will go on the shelves, just a script for the movie Prankster, a cuddly teddy bear, my Canon camera, my FBI coffee mug, and why not, another cuddly plush toy. To the right of this is where all the fun will take place because that will be my gaming station. Let's begin by placing my AOPen monitor on top. This is a really great quality monitor, and I'll need that because the PS5 will be my game console of choice for this setup. It goes great with the tapestry as you see here. Here is an overview look of the desk. As I stated, one side will be for working and studying, and that will be the left side. The other side is reserved as my gaming station. Using the massage chair will help me navigate from one side to the other. Wow, what a great sight. This setup is ideal for any home, and just so you guys know, I will have affiliate links for all the desks and chair that you will see in this video.